Here's how to enable 120 FPS on your PS5. Now guys, enabling 120 FPS in the PS5 will be different for everybody since everybody might be using a different TV or a different monitor, but the process might be similar in some parts. Now the first thing you want to do is connect a modern HDMI cable with 2.1 and above to your monitor or to your TV. Now second of all, you want to make sure that your TV or your monitor is compatible or is able of running 120 FPS. And the way you can know this is by looking up your model and seeing what's the frequency of this monitor or of this TV. Is it a 120 Hz monitor? Is it a 120 Hz TV? Because if you have a 60 Hz TV, guys, then you won't be able to see the 120 FPS. After you're certain that you meet that requirement and that you have some modern HDMI or some modern display port, all you want to do is head over to the main menu on your PlayStation 5, open the main menu right here and go into the settings around the top right here, and then you want to go down to a screen and video right here. Now open a screen and video and head over to video output and then press where it says current video output signal right here. Now as you can see, my resolution is set to 60 Hz. That's because right now, even though I am using a monitor that has 120 Hz available, I'm using a capture card that only captures up to 60 Hz. But say that I was connecting this PlayStation to my monitor directly instead of to my capture card, then it will say 120 Hz right there next to the resolution, and that's what you want to see in here. Now once you have the 120 Hz in here, what you want to do is come down right here within the same screen and video menu, and you want to go down to output, and you want to make sure that 120 Hz output is on automatic and not on off. And then something that you can also do if your TV allows you and if your TV supports it is turn on your auto low latency mode into automatic as well instead of off. Now my capture card doesn't allow that, but if I was connected to my monitor instead of my capture card, again, I'll be able to turn it on. Now after you've done this part in here, what you want to do is come back into here into the settings menu, and you want to find the save data and game app settings right here. And then in here you want to go down to game preset, and you want to change the game default mode on performance and resolution into performance mode. That way our games will be preset to favor FPS over resolution. Some games favor resolution over FPS, meaning that they might give you a greater resolution, but they might be running on 60 FPS, while some other games will put you at 120 FPS, but maybe they will lower the resolution or the quality a little bit, but you will have a faster gameplay, which is what we want right here. Set it on performance mode, come back to the home menu, and then close that game that you were playing, and then just relaunch that game after. And if your game allows it, you should be running on 120 FPS. Now, sometimes you might be able to go into the settings of the game like Call of Duty, and then from the settings menu of that game, you could go into video and change it into 100 FPS in there if the game allows you. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.